Hi everyone, welcome to Lanret Academy. In this tutorial, we are going to be looking at WASSCE 2015 Computer Studies Past Question, basically the objective questions. But before we move on, I would like you to subscribe to my channel if you are new to this channel, and click on the subscribe bell and the notification button now so that you can always get notified when I upload a new video. Oh, hope you have done that now. Okay, haven't done that. Now we want to move on to question number one of this past question. WAEC 2015 Computer Studies Objective Question. Number one says, Charles Babbage was the first to invent analytical engine. B is the correct answer for that. Question number two, which of the following devices is not a microcomputer? The correct answer is EDVAC. 3. The main difference between a laptop and a desktop is that a laptop contains high capacity battery that powers for extensive period while the desktop does not. 4. Abacus is used for addition and subtraction. 5. The computer hardware is made up of system units and peripheral. B. 6. The computer memory is measured in bytes. 7. If the output signal of any logic gate is fed into an inverter, the result is the inverse of the output signal. 8. The device through which the main components of the computer communicate with each other is called the system bus. That's what carries data from one point to another. The hardware of the computer does not consist of Windows. Windows is the software. 10. The output device in a computer are those devices that send the result to the memory of the computer. That is the best answer among the four answers there. 11. Which of the following is not a mobile input device? The correct answer is scanner. So this one represents AND gate. This is the symbol for AND gate. This symbol is a symbol for AND gate. X, Y, Z here signifies input, output in the AND gate. And here, if you have X equals to 0 and Y equals to 1, then you surely have 0 as your output in AND gate, because if all the inputs are not high, you can never have a high output or a 1 output in AND gate. The memory unit of the computer belongs to the system unit. Which of the following is not a function of operating system? Maintenance of directories in external storage. That's the best answer there. An example of a specific purpose application package is the payroll program. Others are general purpose application package. Operating system, translator, and utility are examples of system software. 19. The first stage in program development is problem definition. After then, you now have problem analysis and so on. A pictorial representation of program flow is called a flow chart. An example of a programming language that uses mnemonic code is the assembly program or assembly language. The use of satellite to transmit signal or information to the earth is enabled with the use of GPS. The line of segment that describes the content of message when sending an email is the subject. The content contains the body. Which of the following network covers the widest range? That's wide area network. 1. The keyboard command that is used to copy in Microsoft Word is Ctrl+C. C is the answer. The Corel Draw palette helps you to draw in color, so B is the correct answer. In order to get a symbol dialog box in the Microsoft Word, you have to use the Insert tab. In the network, the workstation is always connected to the switch. 29. When browsing on the internet, when you have this message, page not found, it means that the connection between the client and the server has been lost. You are the client, then the server is the computer that wants to respond to the web page you want to check. Which of the following is not a network device? That's port. The others are web and network devices. Now here we want to look at what is the valid email address. waec@yahoo.co.uk. Others contain www, so they are website address and not email address. 32. In word processing, an efficient way to move the second paragraph and place it after the fourth is cut and paste. Cut and you paste it after the fourth paragraph. Now, in order to locate a particular word in document, you use find command. Okay. Question 34. Which of the following items changes shape depending on tasks being performed? That is mouse pointer. Mouse pointer changes shape depending on the task that is performed. The computer keyboard that is used that presses to move to the beginning of a current line is the home key. Data loss in computer cannot be prevented with the use of the flash drive. The flash drive is just of storage. The shortcut command used in restarting the computer is Alt plus Control plus Delete. The term bus width in data transfer means the number of bits of information the RAM can send to the CPU at the same time. The part of the computer that holds the data and program for CPU processing is the register. The high-level language can be converted to a machine language using the compiler. Each of the following statement is true of encryption. It makes message unreadable by the recipient. The computer ethics is important because it addresses piracy and comportment issues. Which of the following is the main advantage of intellectual property? That's maximization of profits. Which of the following statement is true of free software? It is a free unlicensed software. In hexadecimal, BDE respectively means 11, 13, and 14. 46. Here we have the conversion of 11002 to base 10. The answer is 25. Then here we have 9 in base 10 is equivalent to x in base 8. So what you have to do here is you have to divide 9 by 8. When you do that, you are going to have 11. But hold on, as I want to work this out for you so on the screen so that you can see. So you have 9. So a 9, you rule your lines like this. Then you divide by 8. When you divide by 8, 8 in 9 is 1, remainder 1. Then you divide again by 8. 8 in 1 is 0. Then remainder 1. So your answer, you pick it from bottom up, then you have 11 base 8 as the answer. So the answer is the 6. The answer to this is 6. So we are going to answer question 48 to 50 with this table. Question 48 says the cell that in the cell D3 contains 5, 6, 7, 8. Then for 49, the number of cells that contain data in row 1. In row 1, we have A1, B1, C1, D1. So, and that is 4. So, question 50 now. Question 50 is talking about the number of cells that contain numeric data. And the number of cells that contain numeric data here is 9. So we are going to, so the answer is 9. So this is where we are going to be stopping our tutorial for today on 2015 objective questions for computer studies, WAEC. In the next tutorial, we are going to look at some other past questions. Subscribe, like, and share. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.